guys, I was gifted this product by the seller to give you a review on it. Right here we have a queen-sized bed frame. This one is really cool and it's also really pretty. It's in this really nice boucle material, and this bed also has 4 storage drawers. There's 2 on each side, but I really like this bed frame. I love the color. I think that it is so nice and light. I also think the texture of the bed is really soft and really nice. I think the storage drawers are a really nice touch. I just love having under the bed storage for things like bed sheets or extra clothes, things you might not use very often. So having those 4 drawers is a huge bonus in my opinion. Another really cool feature about this bed is that it actually has LED lights in this section of the headboard right here. They're very well hidden, so you can't even see them, which I really like. Here's a close-up of that headboard. You can see it's got that really nice kind of boucle texture to it. Another really nice feature about this bed are the rounded edges on the bottom of the bed frame. And so I think having this nice rounded touch is super great and it looks really nice. And then here you can see one of the drawers. And these just roll out. And I just have some extra bedding in here as well as some books, decor that we don't use that often. And you just slide it back in. There are LED lights in the headboard and it just comes with a cord. You plug it in and then you push this button and you can see it lights up. And if you push the button, it actually changes colors. I shut the blinds here so you can see what those lights look like around the whole headboard when it's a little bit darker, or you can just turn it off. So you just lift up and pull out. And these have wheels on the bottom, so they just roll really easily, in my opinion, on the carpet. You just roll it back under, and it looks just like the bed frame. All in all, it took us about 30 minutes to install the bed from start to finish. I feel like this wasn't really a difficult bed to assemble, and thought that installing the lights around the headboard were really easy, and that kind of surprised us, but we were very pleased. I think the finished product of this bed looks really classy and really nice. I was really impressed with how it looked once it all came together. Overall, I am really impressed with this bed. Personally, I felt like it was easy to install, not too complicated, and I just love that minimalistic look to it, love the soft material, and I think the quality of the material, in my opinion, is really nice as well. I love that boucle texture. I think this just gave the room a really nice refresh.